In this video, we're gonna check if Samsung Galaxy M13 has a dual SIM card slot. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate the SIM card slot, and it's right here on the side on the left. And now take out the needle from the box and put the needle inside this gap right here like this, and then use a bit of the force in order to open the slot. So here I have it. Let's take it out, and we can already see a dual SIM card slot right here. So this means this phone actually has one. Actually two. So yeah, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.